Welcome to our geometry series. Today, we are exploring a specific type of quadrilateral known as the trapezoid. A trapezoid is a four-sided polygon, which means it is a quadrilateral. The defining feature of a trapezoid is that it has exactly one pair of parallel sides. These parallel sides run in the same direction and never intersect. Let's look at the specific names for the sides. The two parallel sides are called the bases. The other two sides, which are not parallel, are called the legs. An isosceles trapezoid is a special type where the non-parallel legs are equal in length. In this shape, the base angles are also equal to each other. Another type is the right trapezoid. This shape has two right angles because one of its legs is perpendicular to the bases. The height, sometimes called the altitude, is the perpendicular distance connecting the two parallel bases. It is always measured at a 90-degree angle. To find the area of a trapezoid, you take the average of the two bases, labeled here as A and B, and multiply that by the height h. The formula is a plus b divided by 2, multiplied by h. The perimeter is simply the total distance around the outside of the shape. You calculate it by adding the lengths of all four sides together, a plus b plus c plus d. The median, or midsegment, connects the midpoints of the two legs. It is parallel to the bases, and its length is the average of the lengths of the two bases. Let's recap. A trapezoid has exactly one pair of parallel sides. Remember the special types like isosceles and right trapezoids, and don't forget the area formula. Average of the bases times the height.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.